Hi everybody! I'm here at IKEA Las Vegas and we're gonna try their Swedish Julbord Buffet. It's the shortest buffet in the world and it's only available for 3 hours once a year. So let's go and try it.
There, it's the sign's right there.
What?
Julbord. Julbord.
In Swedish. Okay, let's go.
Yes.
All right. Do you guys have your tickets? I can take them.
We didn't buy any ahead of time.
We still have some available if you guys would like to purchase.
Sure.
If you go right around the banister, right over there, there's a cashier over there. They can bring you out and join us tonight.
Thank you.
Where do we buy the tickets?
Buy tickets? Yeah, come in. Lighting the Christmas hat on
Okay.
at the register.
Okay, thank you. Wait. Oh, Santa is here. Hello. We want to buy a ticket for 2 tickets for all.
Are you IKEA family member?
Yes.
Oh,
Would you just scan your peso? Give me 1 second. Or you can do it right here now.
okay, let's scan the code.
In this one.
So it's $19.99 each.
43.33.
$43.33.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
There we have our 2 passes here.
Swedish Christmas Julbord Buffet.
Okay.
Where do we enter? We just like, I'll enter here.
First you have to
Go around.
there, so you give the tickets.
Oh, the bathroom pass thing?
Thank you.
Okay.
So we gotta go over here.
Can we go through? We didn't see any reserve.
The lady with the...
Yeah, we got the.
Oh, okay,
Thank
okay.
you.
Did you buy tickets?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we did.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Some IKEAs you have to reserve online.
All right. Well, just have a...
They're open for takeout.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so she's gonna give us a ticket for a pass?
I'm not sure.
All right, you guys are all set to go on through.
Okay.
Okay, so if we go to the restroom, we go here.
You want to come back?
The restroom, so the quickest way is you'll come back around and
Okay.
there's some right in front
Okay.
over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. And Santa, Merry Christmas!
balls, chicken balls, veggie balls, plant balls, and they have ham, potatoes, mac and cheese.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Bread things here. You want one of these bread things here? It looks like a croissant with something on it. Here you have some ham. Hello. I guess that's it for now. And then some Swedish meatballs for her also.
Okay.
Do you want green beans, John?
Sure.
What about mac and cheese?
No mac and cheese.
Anything else?
You want it? What else?
Green beans, John?
Gravy and jam? Here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You want John?
Hello. Can I have someone here? Maybe some radish and some potatoes?
It's cabbage.
Some cabbage, sorry.
No, I don't make sure you get what you.
Alright.
You want the au gratin?
Yeah, let's do the au gratin.
You want the red potatoes also?
Just those few. There you go. That's good.
I think that's enough.
Salmon?
Sure. And a little bit of the
Ham?
there. Yep. That's good. Thank you. Okay.
I think this,
You want the same?
or maybe just, we have a lot already.
There's also fish there.
Oh yeah, you can get the fish.
Ham? That's the.
Can I? Okay, she wants pretty much the same as what I got. The ham, the cabbage, and potatoes cake.
Potatoes? Yeah.
And potatoes.
Maybe just a little bit.
Just a little bit of potatoes. Okay.
The au gratin too?
Sure.
Yeah.
Any sauces on your salmon pesto or aioli?
Aioli. Or you can have a choice of aioli and a pesto sauce. Okay.
I got two small piece of salmon. Not a good small piece of salmon and some pesto, please.
The same, right? You didn't pick different. And your drink. What about drink? Sparkling raspberry and sparkling lingonberry.
This is salmon and herring.
The salmon and herring.
And this is actually not overly salty, which is pretty nice. The herring tastes pretty good also. Shrimp,
Is it good?
it's pretty good. So we have some ham, and we have some cabbage. The cabbage is pretty sweet. I think it's almost sweetened with the beet juice or something. We have au gratin, we always say au gratin potatoes with like a meat hash below it. And it's actually not very salty, which is surprising. I would think it would be overly salty, but it's not. Roasted ham, and we have some salmon. And we have the traditional Swedish meatballs with gravy. These are always very good.
And you can actually buy it in the food store downstairs, right?
Yep.
It's always available. This is their Swedish Christmas Buffet. Julbord. I guess if you want some coffee too, you can get some coffee, right? It's included in the buffet.
And the desserts look good. Tart.
What?
This is an almond type of tart. It's an almond paste. Very sweet.
Yeah. Oh, so there's almond inside?
It tastes like almond liqueur. It's very sweet but liquor tasting. Chocolate coconut. It looks like a almond type of paste. And it's very similar. Sugary, like a sugary chocolatey. Then we have
Cookie?
type of a cracker. It's not sweet at all.
Okay, so it's not sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have the Dame almond cake. This is like an almond tart. And we have, it looks like a raspberry cake or strawberry cake. These are all available, I believe, for purchase down in the store, except I don't believe this one is. And then we have this one here, which I'm not sure what this is. There's almond. There's the, it's pretty moist.
It is moist.
Then we have the cake. And we have this one, which is a cream, some type of cream.
Like coconut, right?
I believe there may be rice in here. I'm not. Shredded coconut. Looks like not very sweet though. I think I like the strawberry best.
Oh, the strawberry. So this is the elderflower drink. Tastes like a sparkling apple cider. That sums up our buffet here in IKEA.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, 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 da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if we spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah, I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.